Hi YouTube, Garo back with you today, and today we're having a new unboxing for a new figure. I just received it yesterday. It's about a fairy tale character. If you're familiar with the Red Riding Hood, there's a company who is making new design characters for these characters of the fairy tales. Here I have the Red Riding Hood today. That's the new release for the character from the new company. It's a Fairy Tale X design, but I'm not viewing this one. I'm viewing the Evil Wolf. Let's bring the box. As you can see here, this is the Evil Wolf from the Red Riding Hood story. As you can see on the box, there's two designs. This one, the beige, and the other one is the red. And here I have the S version, the red one. So let's check it out. And I'll open the box, and yeah, one more thing. This thing is made with candy PVC. Sorry, candy resin. Yeah, that's the word. Candy resin. So it's very fragile. So must be really careful with it. Nothing in the box. Let's see where we are here. You can see they made it really tight, so the figure won't be harmed. Let's open this thing. It's upside down. Okay. Okay, let's see here. We have the base with magnets. Nice. Okay. Here we have the body. Here we have the tail. What do we have here? Chains. What's this? A small punching bag? Then we'll see what there. Yeah. Goes on the neck, the hat, the head, and a weapon. That's it. Now let's put it together. But sadly, the left hand was broken from the shipment. Not to worry, I will glue it back. Okay, see the hand. Okay, just finished from assembling this figure and re-glued the separate arm that was broken from the shipment. And let's give you a closer view. The figurine is, just as I said, is made from candy resin, so it's very fragile, so be careful with it. It's from the Red Riding Hood story, so as you know from the story, they rescued her grandmother from the wolf's stomach. That's why there's scratch marks on the eggs, proving the escape of the grandmother. Can't see how this beauty ate the grandmother, but whatever. The details of the figure is very beautiful, well made, nice piece of art, and it's very heavy because it's resin. What I actually really liked about this thing is it's assembled 90% by magnet. Each piece is magnetized, even the hat. See? The head, the tail, the base, even the chains is magnets. Everything is magnetized. That's good. So, if you like it, give me what you think about this figurine. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. If you do, please leave a comment below, like, share and subscribe. See you again soon. Thank you very much.